Okay guys, so before we try our do now, let's remember that whether this is sine or cosine, the form of the equation is y equals the amplitude times your trig function sine or cosine of the frequency times your angle plus your vertical shift. So if it's a plus d, it's going to move up. If it's a minus a number, it's going to move down. So in this first example, y equals 3 sine x plus 2, this first number here, 3, is our amplitude. Now that means in a normal graphing situation, our graph would go up to 3 and down to negative 3. However, we have this plus 2 here, which is going to shift our graph up 2. So this 3 is going to go up 2 spaces to 5, and this negative 3 is going to go up 2 spaces to negative 1. That means our maximum is 5, our minimum is negative 1, and our range is our minimum negative 1, less than equal y, less than equal our maximum 5. Now the midline is halfway between our max and our min, so you could add them and average them, or since on a sine graph, our midline is normally the line y equals 0. When we shift that up 2, that's now the midline is y equals 2. So our vertical shift will tell us where the midline is. Now if we try it for the second one here, we have for our amplitude, we have the number in front of our trig function is a negative 2. Now remember, amplitudes are always positive, so this is a positive 2 is our amplitude. It just means that our lows and highs are going to be reversed. So we're going to have a negative 2, and then it's going to go up to 2. But we have this plus 1 at the end, which is going to shift our graph up 1. Now, if it shifts our graph up 1, it's also going to shift our midline from y equals 0 up 1 to y equals 1. It's also going to take this maximum of 2, move it up 1 to 3, and our minimum of negative 2, move it up 1 to negative 1. So our range is now from negative 1 less than equal y less than equal 3. And there we go, guys. There's your do now.